Hello! So after the introduction of the new frame of Scapada, the version 2.0, we have built the frame into a superb bike. So this bike is going to Aix-en-Provence, en Marseille, to Thomas. So Thomas trusts us with his build, so thanks very much, Thomas. We are very happy because Thomas is working in a bike shop. I'm not sure if he's working as a mechanic or just working in the shop, but it's always super nice to have people from the bike business buying our bikes, even though we don't sell Masakan in their shop, so super nice. Thomas, it chose Scapada to do a pure road bike, 100% road bike. So to go super quickly on the build, it chose the heart of the bike is the frame, so it's Scapada. The size is extra small, so it's a size 50. So 50 is the 50 centimeter between the bottom bracket and the seat tube, sorry. So it's not the smallest we offer, but is one of the smallest. And he went to the extra small because he wanted to have an aggressive position, to have a lot of drop between the saddle and the cockpit. And as you can see, we still have some margin because we have some spacer he can still remove to get a more aggressive position. So this is for the frame. For the group set, Thomas went for something classic and that we really trust is Shimano Ultegra. What we did for Thomas, we adapted a bit the crankset and the cassette. He chose to go with a 165 length for the crank arms. And the cassette is 1134, and we changed also the rings on the cranks just to match what he wanted. So it was a super custom build. It chose everything, every component, every length of crank of everything. This is for the group set. For the wheels, could not get anything better. He went for Mickey, of course, and the Mickey, the Cleos Race Division in 50 mm depth, so it's very nice. As you can see, even if Scapada can be a super fast gravel bike, like that with a road bike, like with a road setup and road wheels, is super nice. We fitted some 30 mm tire from Hutchinson. The Blackbird, but all season, so a bit more puncture protection and control in the wet. They are set up tubeless, of course, and Lucy will put some picture, and you will see. Even though Scapada can take 40 mm, I think it just looks gorgeous with a classic road setup like that. So this is for the group, for the wheels. And after that, for all the components, we have a carbon seat post with no setback. It was very specific about that. We have a super nice saddle from Selle Italia, which is the SLR with the carbon rails. And after, Thomas, he went for a fully integrated cockpit. I don't really like to do that usually because I always like to wait like a couple of weeks to make sure we have the right length of handlebar and stem and the right height of the stem. But Thomas is a long-time rider. He knows very well his position on the bike, and also he works in a bike shop. So we integrated everything. I still left a lot of spacers under the stem and even another one just above, so you have some margin to play with the stem high. And in a couple of weeks or months, he can really cut the stem at the perfect length for him and have a super slick bike. But I think he will slam a bit more the stem, I think. So this is it for the build. We did not weight the bike. It's not, we don't do that usually, so I don't know the weight of the bike, but maybe I'll do it after and we'll add it in the description. But yeah, we are super pumped to have done this build for Thomas. He was supposed to come in the shop to do it with us, but it was not possible to do it right now. So for sure he will visit with the bike in a couple of weeks. So now we'll put it in the box and we'll ship it to Marseille. And I'm really looking forward to have his feedback. So that's it for today. Let's get on another build, which is waiting for me right there. And see you soon. Cheers. Bye bye.